The skill-based education, the new trend in today's rapidly changing world. Traditional education models are no longer enough to prepare students for real-life challenges and opportunities. As industries evolve and technology reshapes the global job market, skill-based education has emerged as a powerful and essential trend. Instead of focusing solely on memorization or theoretical knowledge, this modern approach emphasizes practical skills, hands-on experience, and real-world application. What is skill-based education? Skill-based education refers to a learning system that prioritizes the development of specific abilities such as critical thinking, communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and technical expertise over rote learning. It ensures that students gain practical knowledge they can directly apply in their personal and professional lives. Why is skill-based education becoming a trend? 1. Changing job market needs. Employers today value talent who can do, not just know. Industries like IT, marketing, healthcare, engineering, and creative arts now require workers who have hands-on experience and can adapt to new roles quickly. Skill-based learning matches these workforce demands by preparing students with competencies employers actively seek. 2. Technology and digital transformation. With the rise of automation, artificial intelligence, and digital tools, many traditional jobs are disappearing or being redesigned. Skill-based learning teaches digital literacy, problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability, skills essential for thriving in a technologically advanced world. 3. More opportunities for youth. Skill education opens new pathways for students who may not excel in traditional academic settings. It helps learners discover their interests, strengths, and passions, making them more confident and employable. 4. Promotes lifelong learning. In the modern economy, learning never stops. Skill-based education encourages continuous development, allowing individuals to stay relevant and competitive throughout their careers. Key components of skill-based education. Heavy checkmark practical learning. Students learn through workshops, labs, internships, apprenticeships, and real-world projects rather than only textbooks. Heavy checkmark competency-based evaluation. Assessments focus on what students can do, not just what they memorize. Heavy checkmark personalized learning paths. Skill-based learning allows each student to progress at their own pace, catering to diverse strengths and learning styles. Heavy checkmark industry collaboration. Educational institutions often collaborate with companies to design programs that match real job requirements. Benefits of skill-based education. Increases employability. Improves problem-solving and decision-making abilities. Builds confidence and leadership. Encourages innovation and creativity. Bridges the gap between education and employment. Supports entrepreneurship and self-employment. Examples of in-demand skills today. Digital marketing. Coding and programming. Graphic designing. Communication and presentation. Critical thinking and creativity. Data analysis. Technical trades, plumbing, electrical, carpentry, etc. Business and financial management. These skills reflect the direction industries are moving toward and highlight the importance of practical learning. The future of education is skill-driven. As global competition increases, countries are investing heavily in vocational and technical education programs. Governments, institutions, and employers now agree that skill-based learning is the future. It not only strengthens national economies but also empowers individuals to build successful, independent, and meaningful careers. Conclusion. Skill-based education is more than just a trend, it is a necessary shift toward a future where knowledge and skills go hand in hand. By embracing practical learning and fostering real-world competencies, this approach equips students to excel in modern workplaces and adapt quickly to new challenges. As the world continues to evolve, skill-based education will remain a key driver of growth, innovation, and opportunity.